A packed day of appointments can feel overwhelming, but ChatGPT and temporary chat can help you stay on top of everything. Start by turning on temporary chat. Then, share your schedule with this prompt. ChatGPT, here's my schedule for the day. Appointments at 10 a.m., 12 p.m., and 3 p.m., plus follow-ups I need to handle. Can you suggest the most efficient order for my tasks and highlight key priorities? ChatGPT will organize your day to maximize efficiency and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Next, ask for reminders. You can use a prompt like, "Can you create reminders for important customer follow-ups or prep work before each appointment?" Bonus tip, save even more time by asking ChatGPT to draft short, professional reminder texts or emails. With ChatGPT as your assistant, you'll have a clear, organized plan to tackle even the busiest days with ease.
Use AI, sell more cars, drive the future, reach the stars. With a friend so smart, close at hand, selling dreams across the land.